And the man bust just about shot down there, in a car, brother. And I say, why am I doing this? Just call your yard, brother.
Blessings. This afternoon, assorted stories will be mentioned. Stay with us for all in detail. It is very important for you to watch the video throughout its entirety, all the way to the end for understanding. So, in the meantime, be reminded that if you are new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Intro. Soon forward.
Good afternoon. I am here in St. Ann, where I see a sticky situation with Chantel Davis. Right now, she been explaining some things to me that it's really hard touching. So I decided to send you a video to let you see what is going on. Right now, her children is at home at the moment I speak, when they should be in school. So when I spoke to her, I just asked her, I'm gonna ask her why the children, they are not in school at the moment when they should be in school. Miss Davis, could you explain to me and let me know?
Good afternoon. My name is Chantel Davis. I'm here with my 4 kids I have. I'm a single mom with 4 kids. I lose my job. I don't have any money to send them. I don't have any food for them in the house. I don't have any uniform because I cannot provide it right at the moment now. My daughter, her school shoes is tear out. I don't have any funds to help to provide any. And my daughter here, she's sickly. She's an asthmatic child. She's a seizure baby. Right now, from the starting of the school year, I couldn't send them to school because I do not have it right now. I am please asking for some help from my kids to help them to provide food and clothes and shoes and uniform and anything that you can help us with. Please, I am asking you if you can help me. Please, I'm begging you. Thank you.
Anyone that can assist this family by being genuinely benevolent can exercise your egalitarianism by being a good Samaritan. So that is my number on your display. So this afternoon, I just want to share the happenings over the past couple of hours. And in this incident, this photograph is of a man who goes by the name of Scooby. He picked up a few rounds at the Burger King in Ochiraya's St. Ann sometime last night. That Burger King is located across from the Ochiraya's Craft Market. It was fatal, so he was taken to the hospital where he was later pronounced. Over to the neighboring parish of St. Catherine, the Whole Harbour Police in St. Catherine have now launched a search for a relic who went and delivered a few rounds to a man who has been identified as Kemar. Kemar was eliminated along West Street yesterday about 5:15 sometime in the evening. It is said that he was walking along a section of the roadway in the vicinity of Kaluga Cafe when he was approached by a relic who surprised him with a handgun, only to discharge a few rounds at Kemar, who absorbed them all. So he was taken to the Spanish Town Hospital, but only for pronunciation.
Morning. I just reach out people them work and I have to do that video. You know say, I don't know what kind of morals the people them have today. I grew up with, believe me. I feel some type of way. I feel like, you see, because me know so I have pitney where I go to school, girl pitney, because I look like God fling girl pitney palm me more than anything else. I feel some type of way. It slap me, box me, kick me down. Now me the pan my way I come from Spanish Town, come at 3:30 pan a bus and see a schoolers. She sit down, so I not see type of uniform she in. When I come off of the bus, I look at the uniform, I say, yeah, but my uniform that. You understand? I'm a daughter uniform that, but I not call the school name. You understand? Because when they touch not school, them do them things here, a prominent school in Kingston, so a prominent school in Spanish Town, right? When I come off and I see the little girl, I have to go touch the girl on her shoulder because she have on her jacket, but the top of her uniform I show, the blouse, which is my color, and the bottom of the uniform I show. I have to touch her and say to her, I say, no, that school there you go, where you do after 3? Because me just pass school, devotion I go on, me stop over my daughter's school as the devotion I go on. So me know say school I keep. This little girl, now have no morals, no standard, no self-esteem to sit down on a bus. How you feel as a student? Me I wonder why run through them pick me head. How you feel as a student sitting down on a bus, knowing school keeping, and you left from Spanish Town, come at 3:30. Because me go touch girl, you know. Me see girl a smile with her man catch up on the corner, wait on her, you know. And me shake me say, Jesus Christ, if I ever feel me that or that, police or come give me some police pay. Police have to lock me up. That. Me not ask Christ, because me don't know already. And Christ knows me that. He picked me left from Spanish Town, come at 3:30 school I keep. Morning shift. And you left school and meet your man at 3:30 and you don't feel no type of way. Parents, we know so everything fall upon we. I have always fall upon we because we obligated to them pick me and check by your pitney them. So my parents them not care, you know. Them neither here nor there, you know. Because them and them pitney, some of them are the same thing. But parents, you know, look good. We don't know what kind of type of pitney we are growing these days. You know, look good for see one schoolers. I meet her man, she not feel no way. The girl that smile with her man and her man just lean up and wait upon her, you know. Jesus Christ, me say with nation. You know look good. You know smell good. Jesus Christ, me feel it, me's a parent. Me not like it. Girls, females have some morals, have some standards. Jesus Christ.
So based on the video you just watched, just leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. On Friday, students at the Excelsior High School in Kingston celebrated Afro Day in recognition of Black History Month. It was hosted by the executive body of the Students' Council, so student prefects showed off their natural froze in full support of the historic contribution of our ancestors. So there you have it. Most importantly, be reminded that if you are new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Happy Sunday. Stay safe.